What's up people, this is a new Dell Inspiron 5491 2-in-1 touch model, and we are going to unbox it today. And this has a configuration of a memory 512 GB, and it actually gets in market. It's 8 GB RAM. It has a standard 8 GB RAM, but I have upgraded this to 16 GB, and it has a i5 core processor. This is comfortable like this, so so you get a touch pen with this because it's a touch laptop, a charger, and let's get it open. So this is what you get in the first one. And we're getting this out. Here are some paperwork of this laptop. Read it if you want. And here we get it out. Here I present a new Dell 5491 2-in-1 laptop. And here you have the lock system and a USB port and a SD card slot, and on the other side you have other two USB ports and a earphone port, and you get a HDMI port too, and a type C charger port, and the laptop's charging port. And here you have the fingerprint scanner, and you get a very comfortable keyboard where you can type. So we are done for today by unboxing this new Dell Inspiron 5491, and I'll be using this laptop for a week, and I'll be telling you the reviews of this laptop by next week, and we'll tell you whether this is worth it or not.